Hello. In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Drive link. Now, it's a very easy process. Firstly, open your browser, then open your Google Drive. Once your Google Drive is opened, just simply choose the file that you want to create a link of. So, let's say for example, I want to create a shared link for this document over here. So, there are two ways how you can do this. The first option, just simply choose the document and highlight it as you can see right over here. Then, just simply click on this option right over here. Then a share panel will appear right in front of you. Now over here, all you have to do is just simply enter the email address of the person who you want to share the document with. Or you can just simply click on the copy link option and send them the link directly. Both of the ways works. Now, there is one more thing that you should keep in mind. If you want the other person to get permission from you before actually opening the file, so if you want that, make sure to keep this at restricted. And if you want the other person to just simply open it without asking permission, once you've sent it the link, click on the drop down box and choose anyone with the link. And then with whatever permission is set over here, they will be able to do with that particular file. So as you can see, the current rule is view. So they can only view the file and download the file. They cannot edit the file. So if you choose this to commenter, they can just simply view the file and comment on that particular file, but they won't be able to download the file. And lastly, if you choose editor, they can do everything with that file. They can comment on it, they can download it and even change few things inside the file. So after fixing the rule, again click on the copy link and send them this particular link and they will have the access to whatever rule you have set over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.